I just want to say a special thank you to all of our supply partners that joined us here for our open houses. We couldn't do it without you, and we thank you very much for all of that.
What makes Casper a great distributor partner? Really, it's the environment. John has created a great environment with a team that has some quality individuals, experienced in the marketplace. They have great product offering. It's a pleasure to be their partner.
Casper's is a great partner. Looking forward to a long-term relationship with them and to really drive forward with our company.
They've got a great team. They're dependable. They provide excellent service, excellent quality. They're a group of folks that you can really depend on to provide a great truck and all the equipment that you have in your need.
One thing working with Casper's that always stands out to me is that they always keep what's going to work best for their customers in mind and try to work together to make the perfect suited product for the end user.
And what makes Casper's unique is that they really do everything from light duty all the way up to our municipal focused Class 7 and 8 trucks. So they're really knowledgeable in the industry, and what we look to do with them is communicate and really use them as kind of a sounding board for the industry.
They have come on strong in the market, and I am excited to work with them going forward to grow the van business in this area.
The thing that makes them really unique is that they're very steeped in the commercial snow and ice industry. So all of your commercial snow and ice equipment can be purchased through Casper's throughout the year.
They take care of the customer. They go above and beyond. Anything that you need, Casper's can take care of. We're thankful for Casper's, and we'll do anything that we can to help them.
Casper's has been a great partner for us as they're adding resources to where we really feel that there's a need in the marketplace.
We like working with Casper's as a partner because we care that customers get the equipment that they need to do their job, and Casper's cares that customers get the equipment they need to do their job. So it's a great fit for us. It's a great solution for our mutual customers.
I'd probably say the primary thing is communication, right? There's the quality of the work, there's the attention to detail. We appreciate that very much, and we look forward to the years ahead.
Thanks for supporting us, and we look forward to seeing you again the next time we do this.